because of the nature of the soil, because of the reason drip irrigation is very conservative in terms of moisture. So this is what USAID funding is going to help us with. We are looking at expanding to have 2 hectares under drip irrigation. Our approach is we are also going to be training young people in the process. The young people that we are going to be training have the same kind of soil that we have. So it's going to be about soil improvement and also them running projects back at home. So we'll take them in for 4 weeks and monitor them afterwards. But in the meantime, they will also be learning and assisting the farm as well. So this is our plan. We are looking at, with the increase in the area under irrigation, and also we are also going to be working with rain-fed cultivation. So that during the rainy season we can plant some things, and hopefully we should be able to generate more and expand. At the end of the day, we are looking at putting all the 10 hectares under irrigation.
Wow.
This piece of land was given to us by government under the land reform program, in support of the women of Lupane.
Nice.
Yes. So it's a long-term lease